This is how to reset service reminder of Hyundai Tucson 2018 model. First is ignition on. See, in service service reminder required. First is click this button like a book shape, yeah, this one. Then select settings, then down this one, service interval, then click, press, then reset. Yes. See, 15,000. Okay, 15,000 kilometers 1 year. Good. Back. All goods. Thank you.